It says contestant on here, but I think it's more than one person. Are the 7 Potters. The 7 Potters are former misfits introduced into the world of Harry Potter at the age of 7. Well, that was 1964 for me. They come here to dedicate their love for the wizarding world, which they will express in this act.
Great job. Yeah, I love that it was lighthearted and fun, and I appreciate how hard it is to coordinate so many people like that. And you did a great job.
You guys know what this is from?
Oh yeah. I think you guys are completely out of your minds on that. This is a two-parter. The first part, I don't think the quote-unquote talent was quite as strong as the other acts, but how much I liked what you just did, I can only put by saying. Neil will be proud. That was unbelievable, you guys. I don't know. We couldn't even do that if we tried. I don't know. That was great.
All right. Thank you, all of you contestants, for sharing your talents, your love for Harry